Myth: you need to spend tens of thousands of dollars on a traditional measuring system to get results in your blueprinting or pre-measuring routine. But what if I told you the quicker, more reliable way? For $60 a month, Celette's Web Tools helps you get the measurements you need to diagnose damage to the structure of a collision damaged vehicles during the blueprinting process. Here's how it works. Input the vehicle's details into Web Tools and instantly get access to point-to-point measurement data. Using these measurements, a tram bar, and your expertise, you'll be able to identify damage to the structure and plan accordingly. Another reason you need Celette's tools: documentation. Identifying and documenting damage to the structure can be the difference between getting paid or not. This streamlined approach means no hefty upfront costs, no complicated equipment, just a smarter way to measure with tools you already own. So, is accurate damage analysis measuring only for those with deep pockets? Myth busted. With Celette's Web Tools, you can save money, accurately identify damage, and work faster.